Amazing Via de los Sueños, Cabo San Lucas. Hi, KT Morgan, the host of Cabos Finest, your insider's guide to Los Cabos. In today's episode, we're at Via de los Sueños in the beautiful Pedregal. Towering majestically above the rocky coastline of the Pacific, where the Baja ends and the Sea of Cortez begins, is this 8-bedroom vacation rental. This is certainly one of the finest properties available for short-term vacation rentals. With over 20,000 square feet of indoor-outdoor living, you will absolutely love your next Cabo vacation like never before. Via de los Sueños is a hacienda-style design villa with 3 sumptuous main house suites, 3 separate suite casitas, and 2-bedroom guest house, and ocean views from every room of the compound. Each bedroom is a beautifully oversized suite with its own private bathroom. In addition to the private bedrooms, the villa offers many great central meeting areas, pool table, and well-equipped gym. Enjoy the beautiful Cabo weather in a variety of areas outside, as there are 2 large swimming pools, a jacuzzi, waterfall, and a 3-hole putting green. A chef is available for breakfast, lunch, and dinner at an additional charge. Grocery shopping by the chef is offered at no additional charge. You can rent this gorgeous villa for only $3,600 daily plus tax. Not a bad rate when you consider it sleeps 16 guests in the lap of luxury. Or if you're looking for an outstanding investment, this can be yours for just $6.99 million. Contact us today to schedule your next vacation or to find out more about owning this amazing compound. This video review is brought to you by your friends at Cabos Finest. Go to cabosfinest.com for hundreds of fun videos about Los Cabos. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, tell your Cabo-loving friends, and as always, contact us directly to find out how you can live and love in the amazing Los Cabos. Thank you for watching.